Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. All right, so today we're talking about something that honestly more people should be upgrading to: a full smart bidet toilet. And not just anyone. We're breaking down the HOROW Artistic Bidet Toilet, a unit that's been turning heads in the bathroom upgrade space for very good reasons. So the big question is this thing really worth buying? Let's get into the actual numbers and let them do the talking. First, let's talk flush power, because that's where this toilet immediately separates itself from the competition. The HOROW is equipped with a powerful pump achieving a MAP 1000G flush score. That's the maximum performance rating, and it offers dual flushing options: 0.9 GPF for a half flush and 1.32 GPF for a full flush for efficient water conservation. Now, what does MAP 1000G actually mean in real-world use? It means this toilet can move 1,000 grams of solid waste in a single flush. That's the highest score on the MAP testing scale. You're essentially getting commercial-grade flushing power in a home toilet. No clogs, no double flushes, no drama. Under the hood, it runs on a 100-watt motor with precision flush channeling and an anti-clog architecture, engineered for flawless performance every single time. And the design is fully elongated, so comfort is built right in. Now let's talk about the dimensions, because fit matters. The HOROW measures 27.4 inches in length, 15.4 inches in width, and 19.5 inches in height, with a seat height of 17.5 inches and a standard 12-inch rough-in requirement from the wall to the drain center. That seat height at 17.5 inches is ADA-compliant chair height, and that's a huge deal. It's thoughtfully designed to reduce strain on your knees and joints, making it easier to sit down and stand up. So it's genuinely comfortable for people of all ages and mobility levels. So why is this such a popular choice? Because it delivers a full spa experience right in your bathroom. The smart toilet features instant warm water delivery, and that water is kept completely separate. One path for flushing, one for cleansing, so only fresh, filtered, freshly heated water ever touches your skin. Never shared, never recycled. The self-cleaning nozzle handles hygiene automatically after every use. The lid opens and closes on its own. The UV sterilization built-in actively eliminates bacteria and germs to keep the seat and nozzle clean, and the nano-silver antibacterial seat prevents bacterial growth between uses. And there's even built-in automatic deodorization, so your bathroom just smells better all the time without any sprays. The foam shield technology is another standout feature. Before each use, a dense protective layer of foam automatically forms on the water surface, preventing splashes and blocking stains. That means the bowl stays cleaner longer, and cleaning day becomes a whole lot easier. The heated seat is fully adjustable. The warm air dryer means you don't need toilet paper at all, and the night light makes late-night trips to the bathroom so much more pleasant. Everything is controllable via the included remote control, so you can customize water temperature, pressure, nozzle position, and dryer settings exactly to your preference. Pricing-wise, the HOROW Artistic Bidet Toilet comes in at around $800 to $1,000 depending on where you shop. And honestly, when you stack up everything you're getting: MAP 1000G flushing, ADA chair height, instant warm water, UV sterilization, auto open and close lid, heated seat, foam shield, deodorization, and a self-cleaning nozzle. That price point is genuinely competitive for a fully integrated smart toilet at this level. It's a one-time upgrade that replaces your toilet, your bidet, your deodorizer, and your toilet paper habit all at once. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.